Players learn what it takes to protect the ball in this game we call Dribble Knockout. Use a half court. The space inside the three-point line is the playing area. Here's how it looks. Give every player a ball and tell them to spread out.
So set, go!
On your call, they start dribbling around the space with two objectives.
Keep going, go after each other.
Tap their teammates' balls away while protecting their own. When the ball is deflected, the player who tapped it gets a point. The player who lost it retrieves the ball and continues playing. Play short rounds, about a minute long. Then challenge players to beat their score in the next round. Here, players will need to be strategic. Encourage them to seek out open space on the floor and be selective about when and where they attempt to steal. In the actual game, encourage ball handlers to use their entire body to put distance between the defense and the ball.